In 1985, a 20-year-old man walked into a museum and stole a priceless painting in broad daylight. His name was Stefan Breitwieser, and he was about to become the most successful art thief in history. His method was shockingly simple. He'd enter museums like any normal visitor, walk up to a painting, remove it from its frame with his bare hands, then slip it under his coat and walk out. No alarms, no security guards chasing him, nothing. For 16 years, he pulled off the same trick over and over. 200 museums across Europe, over 1,400 stolen masterpieces, $1.4 billion in art. He targeted small museums with weak security, struck during busy hours when guards were distracted, never used tools or weapons, just his hands and a long coat. Police called him a ghost. Museums couldn't catch him. He seemed unstoppable. But in 2001, his incredible streak finally ended, not because of high-tech security or brilliant detective work, but because of his own mother's shocking betrayal.